Well, hello, Boondockers. I got a new toy. So, we're trying to get some road stuff done out here.
So Norberto is trying out his new tractor and our grader. After our snow, we decided we'd grate the road, and today is his first day, 6 days after snow. I guess it's only been 5 days after the snow, but he's gonna take advantage of getting it all done all the way as far as he can go. So this is definitely an unmaintained county road, but we decided we have the tools and we want to drive on nicer roads, so we'll just maintain it for right now.
So once again, just look at this view that we have of the mountains. This is the Sandias. The other ones, I think, are the Sangre de Cristos in Santa Fe. So yeah, we pay taxes on the property, but we don't get much maintenance, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, we just appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for your prayers. Thanks for the comments, because some of you guys are just, when we see you, it's just great. So thanks for watching.